The new Westinghouse fridge range makes it easy to change your water filter. The water filter cartridge reduces chlorine, metallic tastes, cloudiness and odours from your water and ice. It's important to change your water filter every 6 months to keep your water fresh and clean. First, turn the ice and water off at the internal fridge control panel. Remember to test the water function on the front of the fridge to release any water still in the line. Open the fridge door to remove the old water filter. Simply twist the filter anti-clockwise until it releases from the capsule. Then insert your new water filter, turning clockwise until it locks into place. Turn the ice and water back on, then run the water until the air is removed from the filter and the water in the jug is clear. Once this simple process is complete, you'll have peace of mind knowing your family is enjoying fresh tasting water.